Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss part 50. Attendance, edit data from a table 1 database and update into another table database in Laravel 12. Tuition classes in Laravel 12. This is a www.errorsolutioncode.com. Contact for website related service +919941599815. Let's start this video. First of all, this is my gem server already started, Apache and MySQL, and this is already run localhost PSP my admin. Inside this is a Laravel underscore database. This is a working. Let's click this attendance. Attendance is a working. Find this table. This is a for record is a show, and inside this is available this my project, and this my project is already open. This my Sublime text editor, and inside this is already run localhost Laravel underscore 12, and this attendance in this is a for record is available. This for record 1 4 2 3. This is a not a correct wireless implementation. First of all, this is a order by set. Order by descending ascending ID is a set. This is a model attendance, and this is a pagination. Let's set this is a order by ID ESC ascending. Let's save and refresh this page. Successfully 1 2 3 and 4 is a step by step successfully show. Good working. This is a for record is a show. This is a model inside this attendance model inside this only simple way is a implementation. Let's say step by step. This is a inside this is a new action is a T head is a implement. Inside this TD is a edit button is a implementation. First of all, this is a list file is a open. This resource view admin attendance, and this is a indexment list file is available. This is a action TS action show file. This is action, and this is a TD. This is a TD is available. This is a TD. Save file and refresh this page. 100% is a show. This is a good working. Let's inside this edit button is a implementation. Successfully this is a edit button is a good working. This is a implementation. Save file. Let's refresh this page. Working fine. This is a edit button is available. Let's same name is a copy. This is a name is a copy, and inside this is a URL is a create URL. And this is a edit dot same name dollar value, and this is the ID. Successfully this is the ID is available. This same ID 1 2 3 and 4. Good working. This is a successfully shared. Let's refresh this page, and this is a edit, and successfully 2 number is available. This is a 2 number. Let's again this edit, and this is a 3 number edit, and successfully 3 number is available. Let's same name copy web.php route web.php open, and inside this is a new route get paste here, and this is ID is a pass here ID. Attendance controller class edit. Save file, and this is a get record miss a tag miss is available. Get record. Let's same name copy attendance controller open http controller and attendance controller. Let's controller, and this is a edit public function and edit $ID pass. Same here. This is a $ID is a pass. This $ID this is a pass, and inside this is a implementation return view super admin dot attendance and edit. Save file. Let's copy attendance copy, and this is a edit file is a create. This is attendance is a folder available super admin. Inside this attendance a new file is a create and blade.php. successfully create an hello show file and refresh this page. Successfully hello is a show. Good working. This is a fine. Successfully fine, but inside this is a data is a get, other this is the same name is a, this is a copy and paste here. Inside this paste on dollar data is a pass here. This is a dollar data is a pass. First of all, this first video is a sec, otherwise not doubt your mind, lost of doubt. Successfully blank, this data is a pass. And this is a table is already inside this model is a inside this included this model, and this model inside this available class model, and this is a student model. Successfully implementation. Let's first of all, this is the add file is a control a copy this file and close this, and inside this paste here, and this is only same name is a update. Save file is a update, inside this is a update. Save and refresh this page. 100% is a working fine. This is a good working. This is update is a working good. Let's this is a LX and edit, and this is a not a selected LX. Let's step by step implement an LX, and this is a model name is available. This model is available. This attendance table is attendance table and same name copy, and inside this already included, and inside this is a dollar data is equal to find dollar id get same name copy get, and this is attendance and paste here. Save. Let's get record, otherwise get record. Let's get record is the best name. Get record. Save, and this dollar data inside pass same name copy, and inside this is a first of all this is a date is a implementation. All date is a select. This is a date is a select. 2 number is a date is a select. First of all this is a date. 2 number is a 75 and 205. Let's select value dollar get record, and this is a attendance date same name copy and refresh this page. Successfully show. Good working. Let's this is a inside this implementation. This is a get record. Inside this is step by step implementation. Get record, and this is a name is a status is equal to present selected and set. Same name copy and paste here, and this is a name is a absent. Third is a copy and paste here let. Save file. Let's refresh this page, and working good. This is absent is a selected. This 100% is a absent is a available. This is a, let's check this present. So successfully present is a selected. Good working. This date is a less. This is a record is a updating. This is a edit is a selected. Inside this selected, this selected, this is a record value, otherwise this same value is a pass here value is equal to only simple to is equal to, this is a get record, and this is id same id the selected class id. This id and this id is selected. Selected. Successfully selected. Same name copy, and inside this paste here, and this is the same name. Inside this is only simple name. All good. Let's refresh this page. Refresh this page, and 100% is a good. Let's one issue. Let's check this. First of all, this is a get record, and this is a success. Okay, inside this is a not a blank. This is a good, and this same name. same name, paste here and refresh this page. 100% is a working fine. This is on my standing inside this not implementation. Let's check this is a alex and 50 and this is a date and this is a, let's edit alex 50 date and absent. Good working. The same name is a mehul 20 and this is absent and edit. Successfully all working. And this is the database is update. Plus step by step write down. This is a all. Please write down step by step. Same name is a copy, paste here and post method. Inside this available post method. This is a post method. Action here, same here. This is edit and this is only post method. And the same name is a update. Let's copy this name. Inside this new function is a create public function. Paste here. This $id request and this same name is a copy and inside this paste here and this is a update and this name is the same name is a copy $save is equal to find save file. Successfully file is a save. Let's refresh this page and this is a update. Good working. This is a record is successfully updated. Let's click this edit and this is a Zohan is a remove and this is a mehul is a select and this record number is a 3 number. Let's update Zohan is a remove and mehul. This is 3 number is a mehul. Let's alex is a remove and select this is a again this mehul and update successfully mehul and inside this 100% id is this is same 3 id is available. This is 333 is available on 4 is available. This Vivek. This is the number is a change. Inside this number is a 50. Let's 50 is update. 100% is a 50 is a update. Good working. This is a successfully 50 is a update. This is a 3 number. 3 number is a 50. Let's date is a edit. This is a edit date and this is a 9 and update successfully 9 is a updated. Good working. Let's refresh this page. Successfully update. Good working. This 9 and last is a update. This is a late and this is a present and submit successfully present. Good working and refresh this page. Successfully present. All update record and this is a name is available already. This is a student name is a student id. This is a name is a class underscore id. This is a name is attendance date and this is a name is a status. This same name is available student id, class id, attendance and the status and this is a database field is a implementation. This database id, student underscore id, class underscore id, attendance date and status. This is a good. Next inside this is a two model is available. This student and class. This is a student class is available. This is a class id and this is id and student id. This student id is available. This student id and two model is already created. This is a class this is available and this is a student. All good. This table is available student and class. The same name table is available. This class table and student table and this two table is inside. This is already included. This is included. Any doubt so please contact this my official website error solution code. We are held to help 24/7 WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype. And this is my channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow all social media link inside this. Any doubt so please contact direct my WhatsApp. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. First of all, this is the first video is was. After this video is was otherwise lost of doubt your mind. Thank you.